Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to swap DOT to Astar in the DEX. We use Arthswap as an example, just in case you get the Candy Girl NFT. So a few weeks ago, I made updates on the Astar network and I talked about the Candy Girl NFT. They have some more updates here, and basically next week, you may hear some new updates from Candy Girl. And so today in the video, I'm going to give a tutorial how to actually swap the DOT to the Astar. So if you get the whitelist, you may need some Astar. So I'm going to use the Arthswap as example. And so first of all, we know the Astar is EVM compatible. They do have the EVM address, and that's basically your MetaMask address. And so what we need to do is we first need to use the XCM and transfer the DOT. So go to the Dapp and use the XCM. You can do the cross-chain transfer to the Astar EVM. So select Astar EVM and send the DOT. So I'm going to copy my EVM address, my MetaMask address, and then put 10 DOT and then click confirm. And so this is going to send the DOT from the Polkadot to the Astar network. Now you can see that on your MetaMask there is a 10 DOT, and now go to the Arthswap and select the swap from the DOT. So I click the button max to swap all the 10 DOTs into the Astar. So now confirm, and then after that it will just wait a little bit time, and you should be able to see that all the DOT has been confirmed, and you get the Astar. Now I need to get it back from the MetaMask. So I need to first copy my native account address, and I need to switch to MetaMask because I want to send the Astar from MetaMask, send it back to the Astar native. So now after I connect to the MetaMask, you can see my Astar. This is the Astar on the EVM, and I'm going to paste the destination would be the address. So that's a native Astar address, and then put the amount. I'm going to put this amount and confirm. And so it's going to send it back from the MetaMask, right? The EVM Astar, send it back to the native Astar. So now on your Astar Dapp, you still need to do one more thing. So first of all, on the EVM account, you don't have anything now. So go back, connect to the Polkadot.js and go to the Astar native. So now if you connect, you need to do one more step. So this is one very important. So you need to go check the assets. There's a EVM deposit. So this is the one we just put, right? You need to withdraw that. So now this is the last step. After you withdraw, now all the Astar you will get it. And of course you can use exchange, and the Astar actually they are listed on a bunch of exchanges, most of them actually. So the only thing I didn't see is maybe Coinbase, but you can basically do the exchange. That should be fine. So now my Astar is there. Now you can do the staking. So don't waste that. Just stake on any Dapp you like. I would just use this as an example. So I would just put amount and then do the stake. And now it's done. You stake all of your Astar, and you should be good to go. So overall, you could just share the tutorial how to swap DOT to Astar in the DEX instead of using exchange. And so this might be helpful if you get the Candy Girl whitelist, right? And you may need to spend some Astar. So just make this tutorial just in case. And so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.